Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to delete your saved website's password in Google Chrome browser. This is very easy, let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome and tap on top right three dots. After that, here you have to click on this settings icon. Here you can see you have to click on this settings icon. When you click on this icon, here you have to scroll down and here you have to click on this Google password manager. Here you can see you have to click on this Google password manager. After that, here you can see your all saved websites password. Now select any website which password you want to delete. After that, you have to click on this delete icon and here you have to click on again delete button. In this way, you can delete your saved website password in Google Chrome browser.